Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Racer X-Stretch short riding gloves. Okay, the all-new Racer X-Stretch gloves retail for $89.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we never update the videos or pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Okay, sizing on this glove. I looked at the note on the Racer USA website, right, and they're talking about this having a slightly broader palm and fingers that are perhaps 5 millimeters shorter than standard. I don't know that I 100% agree with that. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I have on a 3X right now, and I found the fit that I enjoy, I got from the 3X right out of the gate. The fingers are all the way down in the webs of my hands. No issues whatsoever there. So, and the palm, I do have bigger hands. The palm is what I would expect, okay, up in that 2 to 3X range. So I think for most every rider out there, if you're interested in this pair of gloves, what you're going to need to do is just simply order one size larger than you normally would. You're going to get a good, comfortable fit. This glove is a hybrid. It's using some 4-way stretch material, right? You can see here, back of the hand, we've got a padded knuckle underneath there. Racer logos, little like neoprene cuff. Got some padding there over the knuckles. In between the fingers, we have some stretch fabric that's going to flow air freely. It's also super comfortable. It makes the gloves wear really light. Palm of the glove, touchscreen index finger, leather palm. There's an overlay in the high wear area of the glove. They put that on there. That's the area where your hands are touching the grips. Just helps keep the service life of the glove higher, right? So you get more miles out of them. One of the features I really love with this glove is for $89, you are getting race level palm sliders. Those are the Knox palm sliders. It's the set. What are those on there for? We talk about this in every one of the glove videos where they offer the palm sliders. Most of us, when we fall, instinctively we're going to put our hands out to brace for impact. That can do a couple of things. One, it can a traditional leather palm or a textile palm, it can overload the glove and just pull the stitching apart right when it grabs onto the pavement. Two, it can transmit a bunch of energy into your wrist, damage this little scaphoid bone that's in there that's low blood flow, hard to heal, or can create a tumble. The plastic sliders, they slide much easier on the pavement than a leather or textile palm would. It's a great feature, and one of the things it does too is even wear through. If you're sliding on the track or the street, these are much harder to wear through than leather or textiles. There's just simply more protection. It's a real safety upgrade with the glove. Other features and bennies, there's a little pull strap here that's done in leather, so you're pulling on the leather palm to pull it up. Velcro closure. They have a finished panel here, a stretch fabric panel, so that when you're out in the sun all day, sometimes you can get that little sunburned area right there, right? Some gloves don't have that. They did include that with it. Overall, this is a good glove. I like it. I have it. It's funny because Max is kind of the opposite of it, right? He's running the Racer USA deal. That's kind of his gig. And he's like, I don't know, Dad. These gloves, he goes, they're not my favorite. This is where I'm going to disagree with it, kid. I think this is a really great option for a street rider that wants a highly ventilated, light-wearing, comfortable glove that does not sacrifice all the protection. The X-Stretch does a great job there. Just remember, order one size up. Any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gloves for your next ride.